Hey there, it's Lance with True Terpenes, and I'm really excited to announce to you our new platform, the Made to Create Lab. Here at True Terpenes, we're really focused on creating solutions to empower creators to create, and with the Made to Create Lab, we're putting the power in your hands. Okay, so what is the Made to Create Lab? The Made to Create Lab is an innovative blending platform that empowers manufacturers to take blends that are in our current catalog and blend them together to create something totally unique. This is a powerful tool, bringing together differentiated products to market and delivering incredible flavors specifically tailored to your customer that meet market trends and fill a gap in your current portfolio. So why blend existing profiles? Our profiles are made up of anywhere between 20 and 60 isolates, and those isolates create incredible nuanced flavors when combined in different combinations and ratios. However, by blending together profiles that are already created, that gives you the opportunity to create unique, delicious flavors, but instead of using 20 to 60 isolates, you're only having to use a handful. First up, we have the Creator Series. The Creator Series is a collection of blends designed by our team of flavor chemists to be combined in a 50-50 ratio. Purchase one bottle of each of the ingredients and combine in equal amounts to create a new flavor to take it to market quickly with confidence. Next up is Live Resin Infused Creator Series. This series is designed for creators who want to elevate their product line and bring flavor-forward live resin infused products to market. These are 95.5 blends of botanical terpene profiles with big and bold flavor. Infused with live resin, 100% hemp-derived terpenes. We encourage you to start with 5% HETs and experiment to achieve the flavor profile your consumer is looking for. Finally, we have the Innovator Series. If you want to truly innovate and have a full creative control over the flavor of your products, this series is for you. Identify a target flavor profile and use our tools to identify possible blend combinations and ratios. Here we have grape soda. Go to trueterpenes.com/create to shop the Made to Create Lab and get started creating your next bestseller.